If your Whirlpool electric range is not heating, shutting off unexpectedly, or causing issues with temperature control, the thermal fuse could be the culprit. I'm William with AppliancePartsPros.com, and today I'll guide you through testing and replacing it. Don't worry if this is your first time working on appliances. It's easier than you might think. Let's get started. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. For today's work, we'll need a multimeter and a Phillips screwdriver. Also, please remember that safety comes first. Don't forget to unplug your electric range or turn the breaker off. Grab a Phillips screwdriver and remove the 2 screws securing the terminal block cover. Slide the cover down and off, then set it aside. Next, remove the Phillips screws from the back cover. You can leave one screw loosely in place in the slotted cutout to help hold the panel while removing the others. Once the remaining screws are out, lift the panel off and set it aside. Locate the thermal fuse, which will be near the center of the back of the oven. Disconnect one wire and set your multimeter to measure continuity, which looks like a sideways Wi-Fi symbol. Test the thermal fuse for continuity. If there is not continuity, the thermal fuse has failed. If there is continuity, something else is causing your range to not heat. If you'd like to know more about how to use a multimeter, we put together a comprehensive tutorial for you, so check out the link in the description. Remove the final wire and the Phillips screw. Here's the old thermal fuse and here's the new one. If you've already got one, great. If not, you can pick one up at AppliancePartsPros.com. Secure the thermal fuse in place with the Phillips screw and connect the wires. Then secure the back panel and finally the terminal block cover. Then plug the range back in. Great job tackling your Whirlpool electric range repair. We'd love to hear how the thermal fuse replacement went for you. Share your experience in the comments below. If you found that you still need a replacement part, remember that AppliancePartsPros.com has you covered. Just grab your model number and visit our site. Most orders arrive within a few days. Thanks for letting us assist you with your appliance repair, and we hope to see you back for your next project.